What's up guys, welcome to another video. The Poco X3 NFC is official with Snapdragon 732G aggressive low pricing. The long awaited mid-range from Poco is finally here, and say hello to the Poco X3 NFC. Yes, the official name of the phone has near field communication in its name, but has plenty of other cool specs worthy of praise. The X3 NFC comes with a Snapdragon 732G chipset by Qualcomm, making it the first in the world with that platform, and the company claims it is the most powerful Snapdragon 700 series 4G phones to the date. The front panel of the phone is a massive 6.67 inch of LCD with Full HD plus resolution and 20:9 the aspect ratio. It comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate and 240 Hz of touch sampling rate for smooth gaming, and the selfie camera is hidden behind punch hole in top center. The snapper itself is 20 megapixel with some pixel binning technology for better selfie in daylight. The camera on the back are the true X factor of this mid-range. The Poco X3 NFC has a 64 megapixel main camera with Sony IMX682 sensor behind the f1.7 aperture and 6p lens. There is also a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera angle which has a 190-degree of field of view. The other two cameras are 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture, one for the close-up shots, the other is a depth sensor to assist the portrait photos. Poco is bringing some AI features like skyscraping 3.0, the obligatory night mode, short steady video to artificially stabilize any clip. Another feature of the Poco X3 NFC that is truly exciting is the massive 5160 mAh of battery. It comes with 33 watt of fast charging, and it ships with the proper 33 watt of charger in the box. There is a USB-C port on the bottom and 3.5mm audio jack next to it. If you prefer to listen to music on the speaker of the Poco X3 NFC, we hope you do it in your own space. That's where you will truly appreciate the dual stereo speakers and the earpiece acting as a top speaker. Aside from obvious NFC from the name, other connectivity options also include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1 and dual SIM tray. The second slot is a hybrid to accommodate a micro SD card with up to 256 gigs of storage. The phone is IP53 compliant for water and dust splash, has a Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front and polycarbonate panel on the back. The Poco X3 NFC has a liquid cooling technology 1.0 plus that includes a copper heat pipe and a graphite sheet for effective internal cooling and heat dissipation. The fingerprint scanner is on the side, doubling as a power key. The Poco X3 NFC will arrive in two memory variants, 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, and 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. It comes with either shadow gray or cobalt blue and will cost you around 229 or 269 euro respectively. Availability begins tomorrow, September 8th, will continue through September 11th, and early bird units will even be cheaper, 199 euros or 249 euros depending upon the storage. So guys, what are your opinion regarding the upcoming Poco X3 NFC? I'm pretty much excited about the device. Still, it is going to be one of the cheapest devices which are currently available. I have a little bit concern regarding the processor which is coming inside the device, how it performs, but overall the device has a nice look and feel. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.